Working with Tableau Analytics and have a HYP data extract file? This is Tableau's high-performance data format for fast visualization. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Tableau HYP data extract files. We're going to solve this HYP issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below and we will revisit later on. A high-performance data file used by Tableau Desktop and Tableau Server. Users encounter HYP files when they create an extract from a data source to improve performance and enable offline analysis. The format is optimized for fast data ingestion and complex query processing within the Tableau ecosystem. The HYP format is a proprietary, column-oriented binary database file. This design allows for massive data compression and extremely fast aggregation and querying, as only the required columns need to be read from disk. It replaced the older TDE format for greater performance and scalability in handling large datasets. The native handler for HYP files is usually Tableau Desktop from Tableau Software, Salesforce. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows offers a basic overview, but the actual data must be interpreted through the correct application. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your HYP file and choose Open With. Use Tableau Desktop if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If the HYP file won't budge, stay calm. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, opening in Tableau Desktop. Install Tableau Desktop and use File then Open or drag the HYP file into the application. Tableau loads the extract data and presents it in the data source pane. Build visualizations, dashboards, and analyses leveraging the optimized data structure for responsive interactive performance. Next, connecting via HYP API. Developers can access HYP files programmatically using Tableau's HYP API available for Python, Java, and C++. Install the API library and use it to query extract data, execute SQL operations, or modify extract contents. This enables automation and custom data processing workflows. Finally, publishing to Tableau Server. Upload HYP files to Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud for organizational sharing. Use the publish workflow in Tableau Desktop, or upload directly through the server interface. Published extracts enable team-wide analytics access with refresh schedules and permission controls for governed data sharing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.